originally started out in 1986 as a programming service. About 1994, began manufacturing some of the parts for some of the prime contractors. Contractors such as Boeing, Bell Helicopter, Northrop Grumman, Raytheon. Camtech has stayed on the leading edge of its software, programming capabilities and engineering capabilities that keep us up in line with our prime contractors.
Our decision to go with V5 was primarily driven by our major customers being aerospace customers. In the past, the aerospace industry has gone with the CATIA solution on their end, and with us being able to receive and utilize authority data, CATIA 5 became a major benefit to us.
One instance that I will give you is one of our primary prime contractors at this moment has given us the chance to quote on a large package, very large package, that they are giving out the native data in CATIA 5. We're able to bring that native data in and use it exactly as it comes down from our prime contractors, and by doing that we have a definite competitive edge.
To evaluate V5, we chose a very complex part that we currently produce on the floor. The challenges were to reduce the operations from 6 to 8 operations to 2.
In the meltdown technology, we actually mount the part on a rotary table on a 4-axis machine, start at the top of the part and work our way down in basically one operation. And it's been enabled us to cut our machine time by more than half. A shop of this size, time is money, and so the less time that we have in unwanted motion on a machine is just money back in the company's pocket. Prior experience with other larger softwares, changes on the fly ended up taking 6 to 7 hours. I mean, our programmers can go out on the floor, actually watch the first piece being ran and take their notes, and then just go back in and in a matter of minutes versus a matter of hours before, change the toolpath to optimize and pull out any wasted motion or excessive moves that are not necessary.
Some of the primary contributors for CATIA 5 being so successful in our trial phase was that our operators on the floor learned quickly to be much more confident of the programs that they were receiving from our programming office.
Our abilities now are to bring in the part in a 3-dimensional image, include the tooling, the spindle, and in some cases the entire machine.
In CATIA V5, during any machining operation, you can go to your preview. And in preview, I have the confidence that what I'm seeing is what I'm going to get on the floor.
This helps us as far as bringing in the shop people ahead of time to see exactly how we're going to produce a part on the shop floor and get their input from a design phase as well.
Prior to that, in dealing with complex parts, we very often had to make and remake first article parts, and at this point these individuals learned quickly to trust what was coming off of the IBM CATIA 5 version.
The financial benefits of CATIA V5 have been realized in programming. We've reduced modeling time by over 25% and actual programming time by an additional 15 to 20%.
The IBM PLM solutions that has been brought to Camtech over the past year has resulted in Camtech being able to reduce its workforce in that area by 33%. We think that's very important to a company this size, and we do feel that we were a bit overburdened previously because of the older version of CATIA that we had, as well as versions of other software.
I've used many systems on the market today, and in my opinion, CATIA V5 is by far the most robust and powerful system available today.
At this point, CATIA V5 has far exceeded our expectations.
Knowing that we have CATIA version 5 on our side now enables Camtech to go out, compete more effectively, more efficiently, produce parts quicker than what we had in the past, and overall it's going to allow Camtech to grow to its next stage of success.
Yeah.